Hi everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the book list that you can follow, that you can refer for the preparation of NABARD Grade A exam. Why I have come up with this video? Because I was getting a lot of query regarding the sources. Okay, ma'am, which source to follow for ARD? ESI के लिए कौन सी बुक अच्छी है, quant reasoning English कहाँ से करें, right? So if you are someone who likes to read from books, so I will be telling you here 10 important books that you can refer for different subject if you want to prepare for this exam. Okay, but before starting this video, I have a thing to show you guys. So basically, the team has created a vlog for you. So you have to just search EduTap vlog and click on the link. You will get this interface, and here we have different categories. All the exams are there, and you can select your exam. Like for say it's NABARD Grade A you wanted to know about, you will get this interface and you will see all the information regarding the exam, regarding the job profile of NABARD Grade A officer, strategy, courses, success stories, everything is covered here. Okay, now if you want to see the success story of people who have cracked this examination, you can visit this and you can watch the success story and get motivated. Okay, so this is a quite informative vlog for you, and I request you just once visit this vlog. Now with this, let's start our today's video by first covering the reasoning subject. Okay, so reasoning is part of our non-merit section, but we have to practice questions, right? We have to have any source where we get compilation of all the questions topic wise, so that we can practice and we can perform well in the examination. So for reasoning, what you have to refer, this is a very good book. Okay, it is by R.S. Agrawal. You can refer to this book, A Modern Approach to Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning. Okay, now in this book you will get questions of different level. Okay, there will be easy, moderate and difficult level type of question in this book, but you have to just solve easy to moderate type of questions from this book for NABARD Grade A exam specifically, because in NABARD Grade A we see the level of questions they are asking in quant reasoning. It is basically easy to moderate type. Okay, so that's the thing that you have to keep in mind. And the important topics that you have to cover is setting arrangement, alphanumeric series, coding decoding, ranking and order, blood relation, puzzle, inequality, syllogism and directions. Okay, so these are very important topic, and if you can clear all these topic, if you can cover all these topic, practice it thoroughly, you will be able to clear the minimum cutoff of reasoning, at least for the NABARD Grade A exam. Okay, with this same, let's move ahead with the quantitative aptitude. Now in quantitative aptitude, again the book is from R.S. Agrawal, that is the quantitative aptitude for competitive examination. This is also again a very good book, and in this book, same as the previous one, you will have to just solve the easy to moderate level question. Don't go for a very tough or difficult level. If you are getting interest, you can go ahead with it, but I would suggest just solve easy to moderate type of question from this book. And the important topics to be covered is number series, data interpretation, quadratic equation, simplification, word problem and percentage. Okay, these are very important topics that you have at least have to do from this book and do the questions of easy to moderate level. Okay, chalo, after practicing quants, let's come to the computer awareness part. Now students, see, for English specifically, why I have not brought any book, because English is something that cannot be learned. If I talk about NABARD examination, in NABARD the application part of English is there. Okay, it's not like they will ask you the grammatical rule, it's not like that they will ask you the spellings and all, right? They will just give you general English. There will be general English questions like error detection, synonyms, antonyms, reading comprehension. So such question will be there in the English part. So for English, what I suggest is you read newspaper and you practice questions accordingly. Okay, that you will do for the English. Now apart from quant reasoning English, we have computer knowledge and decision making. Now where to study? So for computer knowledge, you can refer to this book. Okay, that is Computer Awareness by Arihant. You can cover these important topics from this book and you will be done for your computer awareness practice. Okay, so here the topics are computer awareness, hardware and memory, software and operating system, MS Office, database management system, internet and computer security, history and computer and generations and shortcuts. Shortcut keys are very important. You will see 2 to 3 questions are there from the shortcuts, and if you can learn all the shortcuts, you can easily clear the cutoff of computer as well, right? So for computer, you can refer to this book, and I can feel that because I get this query a lot, because students are confused regarding the sources to follow for computer knowledge and decision making. So I've told you for computer awareness, you can follow this, and for decision making, there is a book which is Principle and Practice of Management by T.N. Chhabra. ठीक है, so this book is also good for the preparation of decision making. ठीक है, तो decision making कहाँ से करेंगे? From this book. What are the important topics? So it is basics of decision making, types of decision making models, decision making approach, factor affecting decision making, and type of problem in decision making. So these are important topics. देखो पूरी book नहीं पढ़नी है, we don't have to cover entire book. We have to just cover important topics so that we can clear the minimum cutoff. So this is the list of important topics, and cover these important topics from this particular book, and you will be done for your decision making preparation. ठीक है? Now let's move ahead to the very important subjects, that is ARD and ESI. So first let's see the sources for ARD static. So here is the books for the ARD static part. ठीक है? Now students, let me tell you, in agriculture we have agriculture and allied subjects. ठीक है, so for agriculture part specifically, you will have to follow any book of any book which you can refer, which from where you can get information regarding general agriculture part. What I suggest is go for Fundamental of Agriculture by Arun Katyan. ठीक है, volume 1, volume 2, there are 2 parts, and refer to this book for the preparation of your agriculture part. ठीक है, now we have allied subject also. Allied subject include your agriculture engineering, then we have animal husbandry and fisheries. ठीक है, उनके लिए क्या करना है? For that we have different book. So we have textbook of animal husbandry by G.C. Banerjee that you can follow for animal husbandry part. For agriculture engineering, Elements of Agriculture Engineering by Jagdishwar Sahai, that is the book. And for fisheries part, Handbook of Fisheries and Aquaculture by ICR. So these are the sources that you can follow for your agriculture and allied subject. ठीक है, now except this book, these are allied subject first of all. ठीक है, so here you don't have to cover, don't get panic that I have to cover 4 books for one subject. ठीक है, only book that you have to cover is Fundamental of Agriculture by Arun Katyan thoroughly. Rest in these subjects, in these books, what you will do, you will just pick the important topics that is given in the syllabus. You will see the PYQs, and accordingly you will select all the important topics from these books, and you will have to just read them. ठीक है, end to end नहीं पढ़ना है इन बुक को, you have to just read the important topics from these 3 books, that is animal husbandry, agriculture engineering and handbook of fisheries and aquaculture. इन तीनों में से just important topic को pick करना है, mark करना है, and just read those important topics. Clear? Now, if I talk about important topics, so in agriculture, we have important topic agronomy, farming system, okay, soil and water conservation, plantation and horticulture crops, animal husbandry and poultry, fisheries and forestry. Very, very important chapters that you have to do thoroughly, okay. You cannot skip any concept, any part of these chapters, because the number of questions asked from these chapters is more as compared to other. Okay, so you have to anyhow cover these topics thoroughly in a very good way. See the PYQ, see the type of question asked from these chapter, and at least from PYQ, the topics from which the question is asked, cover them. Okay, try to cover them thoroughly. So that will be the ARD static sources. Coming to the ESI static. So in ESI static, we have 2 books. First is Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh, and second is by Social Problem in India by Ram Ahuja. Now, in ESI static, you have to understand, students, that ESI static is not important for your objective. I would not say not important, but yeah, it is less important for your ESI objective part, because in ESI, question from current affair is asked more. ठीक है, current affair का weightage ज़्यादा है. So you will see more number of question in ESIs from the ESI schemes, ESI reports, ESI other kind of news. ठीक है, so but ESI static understanding is also important. First of all, to understand that current affair, and second of all, to write the answer in your descriptive answer writing paper, right? So for that, you need general understanding of ESI static. So for getting that general understanding, you can refer to the Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh and Social Problem in India by Ram Ahuja. That will that will cover your economics and social issue part of your syllabus. ठीक है? Refer to the syllabus, refer to the PYQs, just mark the important topics, see the important chapter inside these books and read these chapter and have the general understanding. Prepare this topic like you are going to write a descriptive answer based on these topics. So accordingly, just refer to these book and prepare yourself. Okay, so that was the source for ESI Static. Now talking about the important topics. So important topics are measurement of growth, balance of payment, inflation, monetary and fiscal policy, employment generation and poverty alleviation, rural banking and financial institute. Okay, so these are the sources that you can follow. These are the books that you can follow, that you can refer for the preparation of NABARD Grade A exam. So I hope this video was useful to you all, and I have a request at the end that if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to download the PDF of this session or any PDF related to NABARD and NABARD examination, you can join us on our Telegram channel as well. So that's all, students. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you so much.